They say that people have lived in Lloret de Mar for millennia. Perhaps it's because we've always had one of the best unspoiled beaches in the Mediterranean. They say that 102 different nationalities rub shoulders in Lloret, speaking 56 languages. This is a diverse and open town. They say that Lloret became an LGBTQ+ haven many years ago. We've always fostered freedom and equality. They say that a Lloret local went off to Cuba and made the daiquiri fashionable, and that a German invented the pound shop in Lloret. They say that this has always been a place of comings and goings and warm welcomes. They say that the cormorant chooses our beaches to nest, and that lots of people choose our hotels and campsites for their celebrations. They say that one of the all-time great footballers used to hang out in Lloret, and that the most legendary Latin singer drove the crowds wild in Lloret on more than one occasion. We're an active, fun-loving lot. They say that in Lloret we row rather than paddle, so perhaps that's why we all row in the same direction. Whatever they say, our hearts belong to Lloret.